Little Chefs! Welcome back to Little Chef's Food Troll Corner. Today, we've got something super fun and delicious. 3 simple breakfast ideas that you can all make by yourself. Are you ready to cook up some breakfast magic? Let's get started. These breakfasts are tasty, easy, and perfect to start your day with a big smile. Are you ready to cook up some breakfast magic? Let's get on with it. Our first breakfast idea is super fun. Mini pancake skewers. Here's what you need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.25 teaspoon of salt. 3.25 cup of buttermilk or regular milk. 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional. Butter or oil for cooking. Here are the instructions for making mini pancakes. Number 1. Mix the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now, whisk together the buttermilk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's okay if the batter is a little lumpy. Heat on a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease with butter or oil. And remember, you need an adult's guidance for this part. Using a tablespoon or small cookie scoop, pour small circles of batter into the skillet to form mini pancakes. Cook each pancake for 1 to 2 minutes until bubbles form on the surface. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Remove the pancakes from the skillet and let them cool slightly. They are now ready to be used in your mini pancake skewers or enjoy them on their own. Let's take our skewer and start by sliding on the mini pancake. Next, add a strawberry, then another mini pancake, and a blueberry, and keep going until your skewer is full of deliciousness. These were so much fun to make and eat. You can dip them in maple syrup or even in yogurt. It's like having breakfast on a stick. Next, we're making peanut butter and banana toast. This one is super easy and really yummy. All you need is a slice of whole grain bread, some peanut butter, a banana, and a little of honey. First, let's toast the bread. While that's toasting, let's get our banana ready. Peel the banana and slice them into rounds like this. Now, our toast is ready. Spread a nice thick layer of peanut butter onto your toast. Peanut butter is full of protein and will keep you full and energized. Next, arrange the banana slices on top of the peanut butter. And for a little extra sweetness, you can drizzle a little bit of honey on top. Yum! And that's it. A simple, tasty breakfast that's perfect for busy mornings. You can even get creative and add some cinnamon for a sprinkle of chia seeds on top. Our last idea, we're making a fun fruit and yogurt parfait. Here's what you'll need. Your favorite yogurt. Next, you're gonna need some crunchy granola. And also a bunch of yummy fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. Let's start layering. Grab a clear glass or small bowl. First, let's spoon in a layer of creamy yogurt. Then sprinkle in some crunchy granola. Next, add a layer of your favorite fruits. I'm using strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. Now, let's repeat those layers: yogurt, granola, and more fruit. Look at those layers. Doesn't it look amazing? You can even drizzle a little honey on top if you like it sweet. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy parfait. That's perfect for breakfast. And there you have it, little chefs. 3 simple, tasty, and fun breakfast ideas that you can make at home. We made a fun fruit and yogurt parfait. We made a fun peanut butter and banana toast. Peanut butter and mini pancake skewers. They're all super yummy and full of good stuff to start your day right. These are all so delicious. Which one is your favorite? I think I love them all. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. With all these recipes, you'll always have something tasty and healthy to enjoy. Thanks for joining me today in Little Chef's Virtual Kitchen. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can never miss a fun recipe. And if you try any of these breakfast ideas, let me know in the comments below. See you next time, little chefs. Happy cooking!